So, you're shopping for paint protection film. It's a smart move, but let's be honest, choosing the right shop can feel overwhelming. How do you know who to trust? What should you be looking for? If you're starting your search based on the lowest price, you might end up paying for it later. Literally, we're talking about things like peeling edges, distortions in the film, or gaps that leave your paint vulnerable. Even worse, an inexperienced installer can actually cut into your paint, and that can cost thousands to fix. At Blue Ocean Auto Spa, we help you avoid those pitfalls. We walk you through the process, help you ask the right questions, and tailor solutions that fit your needs and your budget. We take pride in our work, and it shows. Our team is highly trained, XPEL certified, and bring over a decade of experience to every install. All work is done in a clean, climate-controlled studio designed for precision, complete with a dedicated film room and indoor wash bay. So let's talk. Call us or fill out the form to get started. Blue Ocean Auto Spa, where quality and care come standard.